So you guys are getting an AK fill. Specifically, we're going to get to the GF4, right? So what line is that coming in?
So that is our, it's one step above our GF3. We're going to be making both of them at the same time, but it has a few features that are a little bit of an upgrade over the GF3 that some people like, some people won't like. Some people will prefer the GF3, but we're going to be making them both at the same time. But just have a few enhanced features that some people might like.
Okay, what does GF mean? I'm guessing there's a 1, 2, obviously the 3.
It's the GF is, I know the F is for forged.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to get into that right now. We're going to show you guys. We have a very nice example here. Let's go take a look at it. All right. So here's the GF4. This is what kind of wood furniture do we have on here?
It's just a standard redwood furniture.
Redwood. Okay. Very nice looking. Is this exactly how they all come, or are there some different options?
Yeah, there's many different variations of it. This is just one. We have, Zukov side folders, all kinds of maple furniture on them, to triangle stocks, all different kinds.
Okay, are you guys making this? Someone's making it out of house for you?
The furniture we're not making in house. This particular furniture, but we are making a lot of the components of the actual gun. We make most of the components on the gun.
All right, so I think you were telling me that people can still get the GF3, and they could get the GF4 alongside it. What's the price difference?
I believe it's about $100.
About $100. And then what are we getting for this version here? What are the upgrades? Okay,
so with the GF4 and the GF3 and the GF4 are going to be made at the same time. The GF3 is a nitride barrel, but your GF4 has a PSA cold hammer forged chrome line barrel.
Okay.
It's not done by FN. This one is done by us ourselves. And then also you get a not nickel boron. On this version, you get the enhanced polish trigger along with the enhanced safety as well. It just makes it a little bit easier.
Smoother trigger.
Yep, smoother trigger. And then those are the basic differences between the GF3 and GF4. Basically, you're paying $100 extra, but you're getting a cold hammer forged chrome line barrel. Much better trigger, and then the enhanced safety.
Okay, awesome. All right, so what we got to do is shoot this thing and see just how good that trigger is. So we're gonna get into that right now. We might have some people joining us. You know what? You need to pull some triggers around here.
All
How about you get into it, Josiah?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let me get the hearing protection.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, you already got the eyes on. You're good to go. I will carry the magazines. Let's go do this, man.
All right.
Ready? Yep.
Ready.
How was it?
Very good.
That's supposed to be your question, right? All right. Let's see here. Nice. Guess what I'm gonna do? Time for a mag dump. The trigger is definitely better. I could definitely tell that. Okay, all right. You ready for this? Here we go. Oh yeah. Definitely better. Walter! Let's see if we can get Walter in here. Oh, he doesn't have ears?
No, he's deaf right now.
Walter! I can't believe I have to. You should just be able to hold the magazine in the air and Walter could smell it.
I'll shoot it.
Oh, you want to shoot it, Lola? Okay, Walter missed his chance. Here you go. Here. Boom. Let's see. He's coming. Okay, I got a magazine for him. All right, let's see how you do on the rockin', Lola. There you go. And you need to chamber. All right.
Now, should I be dumping this? Is there a challenge?
To you.
To be dumping?
Do your thing.
All right, well, I'm going to try to dump it too. I don't know if I go as fast as you did, but I'm going to try. I can't go. I think you beat me on the dumping. My fingers aren't as dexterous as yours.
There you go.
I'm done.
You're good to
All
go.
right.
Oh, Walter, you're here.
Oh, now get it nice and boiling hot for me, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
The wood is good.
Here you go. Look, Walter, look at that. I've got a magazine left for you. You get the last
Bless your heart.
magazine. You're the last magazine standing.
You gotta go around the other side for him.
You catching the heat signature coming off this thing?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's serious. But I think the wood is better with the heat, right? Like, so far as it's not getting to your hands.
I think so.
Sure. Obviously,
Until it catches fire.
Yeah, exactly. I'm sure it gets scorched under there.
How was that trigger?
Trigger's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's slightly better.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I think so.
It's a smoother. It's
Yes.
a smoother trigger,
That's what
I
I would
think.
say.
Okay, hold on.
Ooh, she's smoking.
You're rolling on this.
Yes.
This is called the golden hour, guys. The golden hour.